Close your eyes and imagine an SUV with the soul of a race car. Now, open them, because Porsche is making that dream real with the 2026 Cayenne EV. For years, Porsche's Cayenne has been the brand's cash cow, blending performance with practicality. But the 2026 version, it's not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. This isn't a hybrid. This is a fully electric beast with up to 1,000 horsepower and charging speeds that take you from 10% to 80% in just 16 minutes. That means in less time than it takes to order coffee at Starbucks, your SUV is ready to roar again. But Porsche isn't just chasing numbers. The Cayenne EV promises precision handling, instant torque, and that classic Porsche feel. For the US market, it's the ultimate family performance SUV. For the UK, it's luxury meets sustainability, perfect for those who want status without the petrol guilt. Now here's the kicker. With cars like the Tesla Model X Plaid and BMW iX competing, Porsche had no choice but to go big. And big they did. The Cayenne EV isn't just aiming to keep up, it's aiming to dominate. So the real question is, in 2026, will Porsche prove that the future of performance doesn't need gasoline?